Hey everybody, who is the FFIEC, or the Federal Financial Institutions Examination Council? The Federal Financial Institutions Examination Council, or the FFIEC, was established on March 10, 1979 as part of the Financial Institutions Reform, Recovery, and Enforcement Act of 1989, which established the Appraisal Subcommittee, or the ASC, within the Examination Council. Now, the Council is a formal interagency body that is empowered to prescribe uniform principles, standards, and report forms for the federal examination and financial institutions by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System, the FRB, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, the FDIC, the National Credit Union Administration, the NCUA, the Office of the Comptroller of Currency, the OCC, and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB. And what they do is they make recommendations to promote uniformity in the supervision of financial institutions, all financial institutions. This helps to encourage the application of uniform examination principles and standards by the state and federal supervisory authorities. The Council also established the State Liaison Committee composed of 5 representatives of state supervisory agencies. The Council is responsible for developing uniform reporting systems for all of the federally supervised financial institutions. They want to make an even playing field. Their holding companies and the non-financial institution subsidiaries of those institutions and those holding companies are also going to be held to those same standards. They conduct schools for examiners employed by the 5 federal member agencies represented on the Council, and they make those schools available to employees of state agencies that supervise financial institutions. All right, that's a little technical. So how about the professor's breakdown on the FFIEC? The 60-second elevator pitch, let's say. The Federal Financial Institution Examination Council, or the FFIEC, is made up of the FDIC, the OCC, the NCUA, the CFPB, and the FRB. Oh, the acronymity! It's all those institutions. What they do is they produce uniform standards so that all financial institutions of all size have to adhere to the same standards. And they do this with input from the agencies that govern those institutions. The FFIEC also makes some great literature for education and industry. I can't recommend enough reading the FFIEC Retail Payment Systems Handbook. To be honest, it changed my career. I read it when it first came out, and it helped me see payments risk in a whole new way when it was first released, because it was one of the first documents out there that showed us how risk worked in all payment channels. Now, a lot of their stuff may not be the most fun to read, but it's got incredible information. You can learn about their take on business continuity planning, on outsourcing technology, or what we call working with vendors, on anti-money laundering, cybersecurity, wholesale payments, and so much more. Now, I do want you to know that concludes the FFIEC, but for 2020, Payments Professor, we got a lot under construction, a lot under production, and we want to make sure that we're producing the greatest, best material for you. So we want to know what you want. Why don't you email me, kevin@paymentsprofessor.com. Send me a message. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think, what you would like to see as far as it comes to videos and series in 2020. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.